Welcome back to my channel, and we are to find the derivative of this function. So we have y equals x cubed ln x cos 3x. So when you look at this function, you will find out that they are actually multiplying each other, except for this trigonometry function that is a composite function of a linear function. So that means we are going to use chain rule here, but it's kind of easy. However, we are going to apply product rule to this function. So how do we do that? First, we say, maybe let's say, let u be equals x cubed. Okay, so u prime. So when we find the derivative of this, is going to give us 3x squared. Now, for the logarithm function, you have v equals ln x. Okay, then the derivative of this is going to give you 1 over x. Then let's talk about the trigonometry. We can say, okay, this is w. So this is going to be cos 3x. So like as I told you, we are going to use chain rule here. And if you don't know how to use chain rule, kindly watch my videos on this channel where I explain how to use chain rule. So this is going to be w prime will now give us negative 3 sine 3x. And that's it. So let's applying product rule. So product rule, which is y prime of u v w, is going to be v prime, no, u prime multiplied by v multiplied by w plus the product of u v prime w and plus the product of u v w prime. Okay, so let's do that. We now have our u prime. U prime is 3x squared. Then v is ln x multiplied by ln x. Then w is cos 3x, then plus. So let's go to the second term. U is s cubed, v prime is 1 over x, then w is cos 3x. Then the final term, which is u is s cubed, v is ln x, then we now have w prime, which is derivative of w, which is multiplied by negative 3 sine 3x, and that's it. So we can now simplify this. So we have x squared here, and we have s cubed here. So we can link them together. We can collect like terms, and we also have ln x here, So we can bring this first and second term together. So we have 3x squared ln x cos 3x, okay? It's a minus s cubed ln x, then 3 sine s cubed. So that is what is going to give us. Then we now put this plus s cubed. Let me stay here. S cubed multiplied by 1 over x cos 3x. So basically what we are going to do here, since we have s squared here, we have x squared ln x. So we now multiply 3 cos 3x, then minus 3x sine 3x. So this now plus s cubed cos 3x over x. So you can still simplify this further. But when you get to this point, you've literally gotten the derivative of that function. And that is how to solve this problem.